Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our webinar today. Today, we'll be discussing the ISG United Partnership with Global GAF Financial and how it can benefit you and your organization. First of all, why do you sell insurance? And the hint here is don't say to make money. All right, we're here to help people at the end of the day, right? Protect them against certain risks, whether that be risk of driving their car, risk of issues with their home, or maybe issues with life insurance or even their business, right? So we have to protect what's important. And that's what we offer as the solutions we have here. So what we do is we sell results. We don't just sell products. And by doing that, we have to diversify your portfolio, your results portfolio. The goal is to ultimately retain current clients, when to cross-sell new clients, and eventually increase revenues from new profit centers. Right? The ultimate goal is the more products or more solutions one of your clients can have, the more likely they are to stay with you. You know, the retention of having a client with one policy is a lot lower than two policies or even potentially three. So being able to sell auto insurance, a home insurance, then attaching a life insurance to that, those are sticky assets that aren't going to go anywhere. If you already have an existing client base, even easier to cross-sell them into new product lines. Like I said, ultimately, we want to increase revenues by adding these new profit centers to your portfolio. So let's see what that looks like. Working with us at Global GAF Financial, we've been in this business now since 2007, helping out with life insurance, annuities, and providing financial services to agents, general agencies, or even marketing organizations out in the marketplace. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we are not only just selling a product, but also just educating and empowering and providing solutions to our clients, whether it be individuals, families, or even businesses, because everybody's financial situation is unique. So you have to build the right product mix for that specific client. At the end of the day, we want to help our clients just build a more solid and, more importantly, a reliable plan so they can take control of their financial future with some of the products that we have to offer. So what can you do to diversify your product portfolio? Well, one way you can do that is through a mortgage protection plan, right? I'm sure all of you sell home insurance. Well, every new home quote that you send out to a client, you should consider attaching a mortgage protection plan, right? They got to protect the mortgage in case something happens to their primary breadwinner, or God forbid anything else. Not only that, but also your existing clients. So it's a great way to remarket to those existing client base and see if you can pick up some new business. Another way to position that is also just selling a term life insurance plan, right? I'm sure you have lots of clients that are married, have children, and own a home. Well, they have to protect themselves against, unforeseen loss from one of the spouses, God forbid, right? So who do you know that wants to protect their family from a premature death or even a catastrophic illness? We'll talk about more of that in a moment, how some of these life insurance policies can help protect from living benefits, not just a death benefit. Another way is if you have any business owners, right? Who do you know that owns a small business? I'm sure all of y'all that sell commercial policies have some clients out there and are looking to protect themselves against a loss of business partner or loss of potential income from injury or illness. And also clients looking for tax deductions, right? People want to pay less taxes. And not only that, but how can they help create a potential tax-free income stream when it comes to retirement, especially small businesses that offer very little benefits to their employees or even themselves? We can use some of the strategies that we have to help build a potential retirement income stream. One of the programs that we do that with is through our life insurance retirement program, right? How do we protect the families of these small businesses from premature death or catastrophic illness, right? How do we protect them against paying less taxes in the future? And who wants tax-free retirement income? I'm sure a lot of clients will say me, because that's what they're looking for. So you have to have the right products to offer them so they can position themselves in the best position possible. Now let's talk about living benefits. Something that's evolved a lot recently is using life insurance not only as a tool to protect against obviously unforeseen death, but also how to protect against a catastrophic type illness. A lot of the companies that we represent that you will have access to also provide what we call living benefits. So like a terminal illness protection rider, which means, if somebody has a terminal illness or chronic condition, which can expect to result in death in 24 months or less, they can have access to their death benefit while they're alive to help pay for those medical bills or those living expenses that arise from having that type of illness. Or even a chronic illness, Right? If a client can't perform 2 out of 6 activities of daily living, which means they can't bathe themselves, continence, dress, eat, toilet, or transfer, they can have access to a portion of their death benefit while they're alive to help pay for those medical expenses. Or if they can't work, who pays for the mortgage? So having access to this money while they're alive is a huge benefit. Or even a critical illness. Right? Critical illness can be aortic graft surgery, plastic anemia, blindness, cancer, all right, cystic fibrosis, ALS, renal failure, heart attack. I'm not going to read everything here, but you can see there's a lot of critical illness protection riders against these that come with these policies. And not only that, but also a critical injury. Say somebody gets in a car accident, there's a coma, paralysis, severe burns, and traumatic brain injury. Some of these policies provide these benefits while the clients are alive. And you'll see at the end of all these riders, there is no premium. You're not paying any extra. Some of these solutions come packaged in the actual life insurance policy itself. Just a huge benefit to provide these clients. So now you're not just offering a life insurance policy for people that are looking to protect against death, but also protecting against these catastrophic type illnesses that might not wipe you out. Well, it actually would wipe you out financially because you're having to spend all these monies on not only just medical bills, but also just regular bills. Right? Who pays for the gas to go to the doctor? Who pays for the hotel stays when you're stuck in a hospital? Who pays for the groceries? Who pays for the mortgage when you're not working? Having these benefits help provide the cushion so that the savings don't go to waste. So we have a couple companies that offer these types of solutions. There's a small list. We have a lot of different carriers that we offer, but these are kind of our primary partners that we work with. National Life Group is a great company that offers living benefits with all of their permanent life insurance products and their term product solutions. Have that terminal illness, chronic illness, critical illness, and critical injury tied into the actual product itself. A unique feature about this company is that they'll potentially not have to take a paramedical exam for any death benefit from $25,000 up to $1 million. And those numbers are changing. We've heard recently that number could go up to $2 million without a paramedical exam. Now, I'm not saying it's a guarantee you won't get the client won't get an exam, but it's not a requirement for the initial application. So that's a cool feature to offer your clients, saying, hey, there's a potential, there's no blood or urine exam or testing required when we apply for life insurance. Another great company we have is American National. They also have the living benefits on their permanent and term products. They also offer the easy underwriting for any amounts of $250,000 up to $1 million. No paramedical exam is required initially, but again, it could happen in the future. But what we like about this company is they also offer some business owner-friendly plans. With your life license, you can actually look into potentially offering a small 401k plan to their existing employees. So something to consider in your portfolio of clients. This could be something we could offer them within this company. Another great company is Lincoln Financial Group. They do a great job when it comes to underwriting, as in a family history of cancer does not exclude them from preferred classes, which is a big deal. Some other carriers, they look at the medical histories of family members, and that's taken into consideration when it comes to cancer. Lincoln does not do that. Not only that, but also Lincoln non-tobacco rates are available for non-cigarette smokers. By that, I mean if somebody is chewing tobacco, smoking a cigar, smoking a pipe, they don't consider that to be tobacco usage. The only person who's a tobacco user for Lincoln is a cigarette smoker or somebody who vapes. Anything that's inhaled in the lungs is considered tobacco usage for Lincoln. Anything else is not. So if you have a person who chews tobacco or snuffs, Lincoln might be a company worth looking at because you could potentially get non-tobacco rates. Not only that, but also to have a good foreign national program. There's over 90 countries that are approved to get that preferred rating with a Lincoln. So if you have some clients that come from different countries, this could be a company worth looking into, versus others may not look at offering this type of coverage. So it's just going to give you a glimpse of some of the top carriers that we have. But again, we have so many. You can check out our website and go americafinancial.com and see who else we have available to help you guys and ladies out when it comes to life insurance. We also have a good portfolio for annuities. We can assist with any kind of rollover opportunities. So if you have any clients asking questions about what happens in my 401k or my 403b or my 457 or any IRAs, if they're looking to protect their income, we have some solutions that you can offer your clients. You name it, we can roll it over. okay? So we have a lot of different carriers that fall within this purview that you can help your clients. So don't be intimidated. If something comes up, we are here to help you answer any questions or even help guide you with your clients so that you don't lose an opportunity. Because again, the more policies you have with the client, the more likely they are to stick with you as their agent. So congratulations. Now you're ready to sell all these new results to your new and existing clients. Well, no, not really. We're here to help you out along the way, okay? We want to be part of your team. We're an extension to help you serve you and serve your clients. We have support in-house, but only that, but you have access to me directly. I can talk to clients directly. I cannot talk to clients. I can just talk to you. Whatever method you want supported, I'm here to help out. You'll have my email address here, rsierra@gafmail.net, or you can call or text my cell phone. You see out there, the 512-577-7775. Try to be as available as possible. There are times when, there's dinner with the family, but beyond that, I'm usually pretty accessible, and we're here to help you out. Okay, we want to make sure that we're helping you with new clients, existing clients, maybe some new business owners or existing business owners. Not only that, but also we can provide some bilingual support. My only other language is Spanish and English, so those are two I can help you out with. But if you have any clients that need some help with that, I'm more than happy to help you and your team out to help close some more business, because the more policies we have, the more likely those clients are to stick with you in your organization. So don't let life insurance intimidate you. Don't let annuities intimidate you. I'm just a phone call away, email away to help guide you. Not only that, but we also have some solutions online that kind of help you get started to run some quick quotes. Let me share that with you here so you can kind of see where to go to do that. One moment here. Let me pull this up. So if you go to our website, globalamericanfinancial.com, and under Agent Resources, you'll be able to see the ability to run a life quote when you click here. On this solution here, we can offer term quotes and guaranteed universal life quotes. You can pick the term amount. You can pick, so let's pick the state of Texas. Female, non-tobacco, let's do a preferred client, $500,000, and you're ready to compare the different companies we have available and see what is the best solution for your clients. Not only that, but we also have a final expense quoter. So this is for usually the smaller policies, your $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 whole life solutions. You can run a quick quote here. You can kind of see, what solutions come up and which carriers we have to offer when it comes to that. So it's just a quick way for yourself to run an analysis to see what the market will bear for that specific client and see what solutions are out there. But if you actually want to get a true illustration, that's when we have to log into the carriers. No different than what you see with your raters on the home and auto, having to log in different carriers to actually get the actual quote in hand and share that with the client. But it just gives you something that you can offer your client initially as to when it comes to, well, how much is it going to cost me? This gives an idea of what it could be. Of course, when it comes to life insurance, it's all dependent on the underwriters at the end of the day as to what the ultimate rating is, but at least it gives you a guide and a range to offer your clients. So with that, let's finalize the presentation here. Just want to share with you, last thing is, who do you know that can benefit from these solutions? I want you to think about, where's some potential clients, 10, 15 clients, or maybe some business owners that you could call this week or next week and kind of get them engaged and start having these conversations. Because I will tell you right now, this is the best month to sell life insurance, the month of December. Now, why is that? At the end of the month or at the end of the year, these life insurance carriers all have quotas that they have to hit. There's certain numbers that they hit for the end of the year. So they're willing to overlook certain things and get more business closed quickly because they want to hit the year-end numbers. So if you have a client that's looking for life insurance, now is the time to do it, because come the next year, January, things slow back down. Underwriters are not as busy. They're not willing to push things through. So this is the best month to sell life insurance. Remember, just incorporate this in the conversation. Do you have your home insurance? Do you have your auto insurance? Do you have any life insurance in place? Would you like a quote? It's not going to cost you anything. Or better yet, provide that for them when you send out the home quote. Just something to think about. You already have their name, date of birth. You know the value of the home. Incorporate that into a 30-year term policy and send it over to them. It could be something definitely worth having a conversation. Just asking the question sometimes just brings it to the forefront. It might be something they never thought about. Let's say, yeah, send me a call, take a look at it. And remember, stress living benefits, that is so crucial in this day and age. It's not just about the death benefit, it's also about the living benefits as well. So think about that when you're trying to make plans for this year and for next year when it comes to expanding your business. Incorporating life insurance and annuities are one of the best ways to do that. So any questions, please email me or call me. My contact information is right in the front. I appreciate your time today. Thank you very much, and you'll have a great day.